Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make farmer registration, full guide. Start by confirming eligibility and the exact documents your local office requires. Then choose the right registration category and note any fees or fees waivers. Collect all required documents in one folder before you visit the registration office to save time and reduce stress. Make photocopies and digital scans, label each file, and prepare any forms like local farm declaration or proof of residence for smoother processing. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making useful how-to content. Quick recommendation: Darn Tough socks are sturdy, comfy, and come with a lifetime warranty, great for muddy mornings or long harvest shifts. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick a pair you trust, and now let's get back to the video. Complete the application carefully, double-check names, land sizes, and contact details, then submit with supporting documents. Keep copies and note the processing timeline, follow up if you do not hear back, and ask staff about farmer ID issuance and benefit enrollment options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.